Okay guys, I'm back. Today we're going to do the card game. Outside, inside, again, it could be a game that you can play anywhere as long as it's not too windy since it's cards. Little different than we're playing. We're going to have anywhere in the room, you're going to have your cards set up. So let me show you what we're doing. Okay. We have cards on the floor. Remember how we did the cards on the floor in the middle of the room? I am terrible at this. All right. We put the cards on the floor in the middle of the room. We have diamonds, we have hearts, we have spades, and we have, well, we had clubs. Let me find one. We have clubs, okay? Again, I'm going to show you first how you can play this by yourself. What we're going to do a little differently is we're going to start as far away from the cards as possible. So upstairs, downstairs, across the room. As far away as you can do it, because that way you're going to get some exercise running to the cards and running back. If you're by yourself, you're going to pick a card. I'm going to pick the hearts. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to be looking for the hearts. Okay? I'm going to go to my designated area where I'm going to start. And I'm going to run up and I'm going to look for a heart. I found it. Because I found it, I can take it back, which I'm going to do. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to look for another heart. Just like we do in class. If you're by yourself, instead of taking turns, you're just going to keep coming back and forth. I do not have a heart. I found a diamond. So, what do? Anybody remember? I have to put it back. I can't try again. I have to run back to my area. And now I get to try again. I can't keep picking up cards, remember? I've got a club this time. All right, so what do? I can't keep it. I put it back down because I chose hearts. And I'm going to go run to my starting place. I'm going to come back. I'm going to try it again. When I do find a heart, which I did not this time, I get to keep it. I go back. I keep going until there's no more hearts in the pile. Now you can pick spades, you can pick diamonds, you can pick the clovers, whatever you want. If you have somebody else playing, hopefully your whole family wants to play, because again, you can have more than 4 people. You can get on a team. You can have 2 people. You can have 1 person. All you have to do is pick what you want to pick. So hearts, diamonds, spades, or clovers, clubs, whatever you want to call them. You're going to come over. You're going to pick one up. You're going to go. If you have more than 1 person playing, they can go at the same time. So they get to find another place that they want to start from. You start from another place, and on go, you come in and you keep trying to find yours and see who gets all of theirs first. If your whole family wants to play and it's more than 4 people, get on teams. It's a lot of fun. Second game that we play with cards, we normally use a ball. Normally we're tossing the ball to each other, and that's what you can do. If your sister, brother, mother, father, whoever wants to play, you can get a ball, you can toss it back and forth to each other. If you're by yourself, you can play the way I'm playing now. So we've got our cards over here. Remember, normally I stand in the middle of the room and I hand out cards when you come over. You're going to put the cards in the middle of the room, okay? I'm just going to put them over here so you can see. I'm going to take a card. I've got a 10. Okay, the number is what's important on this game. So I'm going to take my 10 and I'm going to bounce the ball 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what happens when I drop it? I have to start over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I picked a big number. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I got my 10. I'm going to keep the card somewhere beside me. I'm going to run and get another card. Okay, now I'm going to find one with a face on it. Do you guys remember what to do when you have a face on it? A face is 11, and an A for an ace is 1. So I've got 11. Now I can either bounce it or I can toss it up and down for 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you're going to keep going through until all the cards over here are gone. Let me bring the cards over. If you have more than one person, you toss them back and forth. So we're going to go through all these cards, and you can put 2 decks together. You can put 3. You can even have a half deck if you don't want to. If you don't have enough cards, you're looking at the number. You're going to toss it, bounce the ball, throw the ball across the room. As long as you don't break anything, you can do this outside. But again, put the cards somewhere where you have to run to get them. So you're getting some exercise, even if you're in the house. Run safely. There. Okay. So those were our card games that we played in class. And I'm trying to figure out how to move this up there. There we go. All right. Those are our card games that we played in class. Another idea for indoor play or outdoor play. And I will be sending some more soon. I hope you guys enjoy this. I miss you. See you later.